Welcome to this lesson on wage growth versus inflation, where you'll learn about real income changes. Many people get excited when they receive a salary increase, but does that raise actually improve their financial situation? The answer depends on inflation. Understanding the relationship between wage growth and inflation is crucial for making informed career and financial decisions. Let's start with a common scenario that reveals an important illusion. Imagine you receive a 5% salary increase. That sounds great, right? But here's the catch. If inflation is running at 6% during the same period, you're actually losing buying power. Even though your paycheck shows a bigger number, the cost of goods and services has increased even faster, meaning you can afford less than before. To understand this phenomenon, you need to know two key concepts. First is nominal income, which is simply the actual dollar amount you earn without any adjustments. This is what you see on your paycheck. Second is real income, which represents your purchasing power after accounting for inflation. Real income tells you what you can actually buy with your money, making it a much more meaningful measure of your financial well-being. Here's the formula that reveals your true financial progress. Real income change equals nominal wage growth minus inflation rate. This simple calculation shows whether your salary increase actually improves your standard of living. If the result is positive, you're gaining purchasing power. If it's negative, you're losing ground despite getting a raise. This formula is essential for evaluating any salary offer or wage increase. Let's look at a positive scenario. Suppose you receive an 8% wage increase while inflation is 3%. Using our formula, real income change equals 8% minus 3%, which gives us positive 5%. This means your purchasing power has actually increased by 5%. You can afford more goods and services than before, representing genuine financial progress. Now consider a less favorable situation. You get a 4% wage increase, but inflation is running at 7%. Real income change equals 4% minus 7%, resulting in negative 3%. Despite receiving a raise, your purchasing power has decreased by 3%. This means you can afford less than you could before the raise, illustrating how inflation can erode the value of wage increases. Understanding real income has practical implications for your financial life. First, when negotiating salary, you should consider inflation forecasts to ensure your raise maintains or increases purchasing power. Second, remember that real income, not your nominal salary, determines your actual standard of living. Finally, shift your focus from simply getting raises to beating inflation. Your goal should be securing wage increases that exceed the inflation rate, ensuring genuine improvement in your financial situation. Here's what you need to remember. Nominal salary increases don't always mean more buying power. What truly matters is real income, which accounts for inflation. Always evaluate wage increases against the inflation rate to understand whether you're actually getting ahead financially. This knowledge empowers you to make better career decisions and negotiate more effectively for compensation that genuinely improves your standard of living.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.